As you've seen from the thumbnail, Iona is now out, and this is the latest edition of synthesizers from Air Music, an in-music brand. We're going to take a look at that plugin right now and just take a look at some of the features. So let's dive right into it. Let's not waste any time. So the Iona plugin will run standalone on your MPC hardware, and you also can run it in the DAW of your choice. In this case, Studio. And my first impression was, okay, all right, we got another plugin. Does it have low-end energy in it? And it does. And, you know, it's basically a clone of the SH101. But I like the low end that it has in it. From the top, you can change it to whatever color you want. So if you want a yellow one, you can have a yellow one. One blue one, you can get a blue one. If you want a white one, let's wrote that. We got the filter. Let's check out that filter. I'm playing on the right one. It's very buzzy. Monophonic. Let's check out the reverb. Hello. Sometimes I want to just add a little chorus to it. But you know, you kind of get that effect, but with the pulse width. So if we go to our sources right there, and then we add a little pulse width, and then maybe slow it down just a little bit. There's definitely some energy in the subwoofer area. That's like my default test play, you know, jam. Let's check out the envelope, see how snappy they can get. You can add the little lo-fi effects to it. There's also a arpeggiator on it, so let's turn that on. There's a lot of fun you can have with this, and let's check out some of the presets. Bass. Got that pulse width. These headphones I got on don't really give me a feedback on the low end. When I was playing these on the monitors, definitely worth pushing the subs. Jungle sub. You got sequences on here because this does have a sequencer here. That's a really good analog sound. Oh, that's a long sequence. That's 64 steps. I mean, you can see there's a lot of sounds here. Let's check out some of the leads. Very useful. You know, in my opinion, I think this is like probably the best analog emulation I've heard from the series of plugins. You know, you got the Model D, which is good, but out the box, you don't get that same low end bass that you get here. This is a very simple layout, and it's going to be fun for basses. I mean, any sounds you want, but just it sounds really good out the box. Sub Factory is definitely part of that line too. It's pretty tight. The Model D, I wish I didn't have to coax so much low end out of it to get it to hit those low end frequencies, but this out the box, it just sounds dumb big out the box, and I really like that. So definitely going to be using that in some beats in the near future. Let me know what you think about this. This is the Iona plugin. It's available from Air Music, out now. Let me know what you think. We out.